Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing these Bantu knots that was inspired by Teaira Williams. So if you want to see how I did that, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. First thing first, you guys, you need some scrunchies, and I'm also going to be using some edge control, and you're going to need some braiding hair. Okay guys, so let's get started. First thing, I am going to part my hair along the ear. So I'm going to completely part my hair going across along the ear. And once we're done parting that, we're just going to put it away. Okay guys, so now that we have our section in the front, we're going to part this front section into 5 parts. And each part that I'm parting, I'm kind of parting it on a slant. If that can kind of help, because it's kind of hard to say how I'm parting it, but just kind of get an idea of how I'm parting it by looking directly at the video. But yeah, once I'm done, I will have 5 parts. Okay guys, so now that I parted out all 5 sections, I'm gonna begin to put some edge control on them and put them into a scrunchie. And again, you guys, this front part, I have 5 sections. And you guys, I know you're probably looking at my scalp, but my scalp is really dry, but I will take care of that in the end. Okay guys, so quick tip. When you're putting your scrunchies in, I suggest that you do not put them that tight, because once you put in the hair and start twisting it around, it will get tighter. So again, do not put your scrunchie tight, because you don't want it to be pulling on your edges or pulling on your hair period to pop it. Okay guys, so now that I'm done the front, I am just going to put all the hair up and put it in the scrunchie and put it away so that I can do the back. So with the back, you guys, I am going to split it into half. So I'm going to part it right above my ear, and I'm going to just part it straight across to ear. And once I'm done, then I'll put that top part away, and as you can see, part it to ear. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take that section and part it into two, and those two sections I'm going to put away into a scrunchie. Okay guys, unfortunately I was unable to show you the rest how I parted it because my camera stopped recording because my battery went dead. But all in all, I had 6 sections in the back. So 5 in the front and 6 in the back. So right now, you guys, I'm just kind of oiling my scalp, and I make my own oil. So if you guys want to know how I make my own oil, I do have a video on here, and I'll put a link at the top and also at the bottom of that video. Okay y'all, so to do these Bantu knots, we're gonna use some braiding hair. So I already took off how much braiding hair I want to use, and right now I'm just kind of wrapping the hair around the ponytail, and then I'm going to twist the hair completely. Then while I'm twisting it, I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. Now, as I stated in the beginning, guys, when you wrap this around your ponytail, your ponytail will get tighter. So yeah, so just continue to twist and wrap. Okay guys, so for the second one, instead of wrapping the hair around the ponytail, I decided to braid the top part of the hair to my ponytail, and then I'll braid it down a little bit, and then I'll wrap and then begin to twist the hair. That was so much easier for me to do instead of just wrapping the hair around, because the hair was pretty much just coming off every time I did it that way. So I braided it down first a little bit, and then I wrapped it. I twisted it, then wrapped it. Okay guys, so if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Okay y'all, so we moved to the back. We're pretty much doing the same method that we did on the other ones. And also, you guys, I forgot to mention, you can choose how much hair you put in your Bantu knot. The more hair you put, the bigger the knot will be. The less hair you put, the smaller the knot will be. So you can pretty much determine how big or small you want your knots. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished, I am going to take a little of my edge control that's made by Carol Daughter, and I'm gonna put that on my edges and do my edges. And you guys, I'm going to put down in the link of the edge control I'm using, because I really do love it. So right now, you guys, I'm just going to spray a little olive oil sheen on it, and once I'm done that, I'm completely done. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this look that was inspired by Teaira Walker. Yeah, you guys, I actually love this style. It's a good natural hairstyle, and it lasts me about 2 weeks. So yeah, you guys, definitely let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.